Welcome guys to my YouTube channel, Buning Kusinera. Hi Mamsi in the whole world. How are you? How everyone? Today I will make chicken with dal. It's a Pakistani, Omani or Arabic food. Chicken with dal. So this is our ingredients today. Hello, this is our ingredients today for the chicken with dal. Chicken, sliced chicken. This is the dal, soak with water. This dal is I soak in the water for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, around 4, 5, 6 hours. Ayan. Because I put in the water around 1 o'clock. So now it is 6 o'clock. So 6 hours in the water. I soak with water this dal. We put red pepper, we put chicken masala, turmeric powder, salt, garlic ginger paste, and tomato. Ayan, tomato with green chili this, and of course the onion. Ayan, guys. This is our ingredients for today. Chicken with dal. Pakistani or Arabic food. Mostly I will make it's Pakistani Arabic food because my husband is Pakistani. So that's why only a few time I make the Chinese food or Philippine food. Mostly Arabic and the Pakistani food. Pakistani, Hindi and Arabic food is mostly same. It's same style for Saluna for the curry. So it's not different. India, Pakistani and Arabic food, it's almost same. Ayan. Guys, so watch guys my YouTube channel. Come join with me how I make this kind of Saluna curry. Thank you guys. Ayan all Mamsi in the whole world. Now I will make the food. So Mamsi, my tomato and green chili, I do already mix in the mixer. So, also onion, I do mixer. 2 tomato, 2 onion, 3 green chili, I do in the mixer. So, it is easy. Sometimes I do like this, as an easy, quickly. So, now I will make chicken with the dal. This. So, first, we will gonna put oil. This oil. And then put the ginger garlic paste. This all Mamsi is ginger garlic paste. This is I clean the ginger and garlic. Then I do mixer in the mixer. So it's already mixed. So we call ginger garlic paste. And I put in the talaji, so every time I will use, no need I will do cut always the green, the onion, the garlic and ginger. Just use. If you want all Mamsi, you can buy supermarket ginger garlic paste. They have also. Ayan. I will put 2 spoon ginger garlic paste. I will not put I will not do right now the onion because the onion is I will do mix already with tomato and chili, green chili. I do mix already, so it is quickly melt. So that's why I do already mix in the mixer quickly because today it's 6 o'clock already and my husband is still not eat lunch. She don't want to eat lunch today. She ate only yogurt. He tell he's still tired, so he not feel to eat. So he ate only yogurt. That's why I want to quickly finish this cook as at least he can eat and he can drink his medicine because he have also medicine for the sugar. So I will put now the what in this I will put now the chicken, sliced chicken. I have not put all. This is 2 chicken breast, big chicken breast. But I'm not put all because I will use this some for another kind of food, Filipino food. So guys, I will put also the curry leaves or bay leaves. In English, it's bay leaves. Ayan, bay leaves or curry leaves. I will put 1 pieces also. And I will put also 2 small piece cinnamon stick. Ayan, it's 2 piece, 2 cinnamon stick. Ayan, and then stir. It's better you put the curry leaves and cinnamon stick so it's become more tasty, and the smell for chicken will goes out. Hello, Mamshi. This is all now, the chicken fry. Ayan, no have water now. It's only oil and chicken. So we're gonna put now the spicy. Ayan, all, Mamshi. This it is. So now we will gonna put the spicy. We put red chili, 2 teaspoon red chili, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Ayan, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and around 1 or 2 teaspoon also chicken masala. Ayan. And of course, the salt. Around 1.5 teaspoon salt. And we stir the mixture. This the chicken. It's so yummy smell. And now we will put the tomato, onion, and chili mixture. Ayan. Now, this, and put a little bit of water so it's become cook the chicken. Nice cook. And then after, when it's boiling this, we will put the dal. Ayan. Guys, I'm using the small dal. This guys, that is small, all Mamshi. This is not chana dal. I forgot what it called, this dal, but this is not chana dal. Another dal. Hello guys, this is the dal with chicken. I put the dal now. Okay. Hello guys, this is it now guys, the chicken with dal saluna curry. This so yummy. Eat with rice or roti, chapati, paratha. Chicken with dal.